Hello viewers, welcome to Bondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shuhag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make motor start and stop wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP MCB circuit breaker 1, RCCB circuit breaker, DP MCB 2, DP MCB 3, magnetic conductor, NC switch, NO switch. Motor, phase connection input to DP MCB, neutral connection input to DP MCB1, output connection from DP MCB to connect RCCB, output connection from RCCB to connect DP MCB3 and DP MCB2, output connection from DP MCB2 to connect contactor, output neutral connection from DP MCB3 to connect contactor coil, output phase connection from DP MCB3 to connect NC switch, output connection from NC switch to connect NO switch, another connection from NO switch to connect contactor coil and another point, another connection into magnetic conductor, output connection from magnetic conductor or motor. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.